Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. Hope you all completed the work and I hope you all did the reading of the last lesson. It was a poem what a bird thought. तो हम last lesson में क्या कर रहे थे? Last class में we finished reading the poem what a bird thought. Okay, तो हम इसमें पढ़े थे कि bird की life क्या थी? What she thought before flying into the sky, isn't it? वो स्काई में उड़ने से पहले क्या सोच रही थी कि वर्ल्ड कितनी छोटी है. फाइन. फर्स्ट शी थॉट के वर्ल्ड वॉज अ शेल. नेक्स्ट शी थॉट वर्ल्ड वॉज अ नेस्ट विद her मदर बिसाइड. अगेन शी थॉट के वर्ल्ड इज मेड अप ऑफ लीव्स, isn't it? Then finally when she flew into the sky, जब वो आसमान में उड़ी, she was unable to tell us, she was so excited कि the world is really made up of blue sky, so she cannot even tell us कि how beautiful it is, how vast it is, how big it is. Okay, so she asked us a question. Bird हमें ही पूछे थे कि can we tell her? तो can we imagine how big the world is? Did you thought after reading the poem at your homes, क्या आप सोचे कि world कितनी बड़ी है? Can we imagine? Can we tell anyone कि world इतनी ज़्यादा बड़ी है? No, we cannot. So fine, come up to exercises bit. Do write your meanings in the classwork notebook and the question and answers also. Okay? Fine kids? Now take out your readers at page number 22. Exercise page 22. Fine. Here the first question is, where did the baby bird first live? Where did the bird live first? The baby bird first lived in a, where did it live? It lived in a eggshell. Fine. The baby bird first lived in a eggshell. Right. Next one. Where did the baby bird next live? Eggshell के बाद next कहाँ पे she lived? The baby bird lived next in a nest. The baby bird lived in a nest. Next, what did the baby bird do at last? Last में क्या करे baby bird? She flew beyond the trees and saw the blue sky. Isn't it? Yes. क्या करे bird? The baby bird flew beyond the trees in the sky. Isn't it? लास्ट में क्या करे? शी ब्लू अबव द ट्रीज, जो ट्री पे वो रह रहे थे उसके ऊपर भी उन्होंने फ्लू करे, दैट इज शी फ्लाई अबव द ट्री एंड सॉ द स्काई that was very vast and blue in color. So here we are having very short question answers as it's a poem. Now come up to the next bit. Write the words from the poem that mean. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? हमें स्टेटमेंट दिया गया. ओके, ये स्टेटमेंट पढ़ के हमें इसका वन वर्ड लिखना है. ओके, एज अ मीनिंग ऑफ इट. सो शेल्टर ऑफ अ बर्ड. बर्ड के शेल्टर को क्या बोलेंगे? हमारा जो शेल्टर है तो वी कॉल इट एज होम. ओके, लॉयन का जो शेल्टर है, जो रहने की प्लेस है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ केव. हॉर्सेस का जो शेल्टर रहता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ स्टेबल. इजंट इट? सो अभी शेल्टर ऑफ अ बर्ड. बर्ड्स कहाँ रहते हैं? दे लिव इन अ nest. Very good, right? Nest here. Fine. Next one. One who cannot see. One who cannot see. What is that person called as? जिसे दिखाई नहीं देता है तो हम उसे क्या बोलेंगे? We'll call him a blind, isn't it? So write blind here. B-L-I-N-D, blind. Next one. Green parts of a plant. So go through your imagination. Green part. एक प्लांट है, प्लांट के ग्रीन पार्ट को क्या बोलेंगे? ग्रीन पार्ट कहाँ रहता है प्लांट में? उसका जो ट्रंक रहता है दैट इज ब्राउन इन कलर. लीव्स जो रहते हैं वो ग्रीन इन कलर रहते हैं, होते हैं ना? सो ग्रीन पार्ट्स ऑफ अ प्लांट आर लीव्स. लीव्स आर ग्रीन पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट. एंड ऑपोजिट ऑफ बिग. बिग का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? बड़े का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? इट इज स्मॉल. वेरी गुड. सो राइट small ear. Next one. Fill in the blanks with a or an to complete the two poems. Okay. Here two poems are been given, 1 and 2. So हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे a और an. Okay. ये two words use करके, two letters use करके we have to fill in these blanks. Okay. Mary has dash cute pet rabbit. A आएगा या an आएगा? क्या आर्टिकल आएगा यहाँ? A आएगा या an आएगा? It should be A. Mary has a cute pet rabbit. Next one. John has dash angora goat. John के पास क्या है? एक angora goat है. That is a hilly terrain पे जो रहती है, hilly areas में रहते हैं, जो पहाड़ चढ़ने वाली goat रहती है. That goat is called as a angora goat. Fine. So here I'll tell you a secret trick. What do you have to do? जब हमें consonant आता है तो we must use A. Okay? जब हमें consonant आता है before that letter it should be A. Okay, A letter लिखना है. And जब हमें vowel आता है, okay, here look into the second sentence. John has dash angora goat. तो angora का जो A है, A के before, vowel के before we should always write an. Okay, what should we write? We should always use an before an vowel. Okay, जहाँ कहीं भी vowel आता है we must use an before that. Vowel से पहले an use होगा. Okay, अगर consonant है तो A, the जो भी letter है वो होगा. Fine, but vowel से पहले every time we should use an. Fine. So here see the difference. Mary has a cute pet rabbit. John has an angora goat. Next one. Kim has, what should become? Here curly is given, curly poodle. Kim has dash curly poodle. What it should be? A curly poodle. Good. Next one. But I have dash big white rat. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? A आएगा dash में या an आएगा? But I have dash big white rat. तो यहाँ क्या दिया गया? Consonant दिया गया. तो क्या लिखेंगे? A should come. But I have a big white rat. Good. Mary feeds her rabbit dash apple a day. Mary feeds her rabbit dash apple a day. तो apple का word कैसे start हो रहा है? Vowel से start हो रहा है. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? An लिखेंगे. Mary feeds her rabbit an apple a day. John gives his cat dash fish. John gives his cat dash fish. तो यहाँ क्या है? F है. तो what it should become? Fish का letter कैसे start हो रहा है? Consonant से. तो A must come. A fish. John gives his cat a fish. Kim buys a poodle dash ice cream. तो ice cream, the word is starting with an vowel. तो वो क्या आना है वहाँ पे? An ice cream. Kim buys a poodle an ice cream. But my rat likes dash cookie in his dish. But my rat likes dash cookie. Cookie word is starting with a consonant. So A must come. But my rat likes a cookie in his dish. Now come up to the next poem. Did you understand this one? Okay. I live in dash apartment. I live in dash apartment. So here apartment is getting started with an vowel. तो हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे? An आगे attach करेंगे. I live in an apartment. I live in an apartment. Next one. John lives in dash house. John lives in dash house. So here the house is starting with the consonant, so we'll use a. John lives in a house. Next, an Eskimo lives in dash igloo. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? A आएगा या an आएगा? Guess it. What it should become? An Eskimo lives in dash igloo. So the word igloo here is starting with a vowel. So we must add an before that. An must be added before a vowel. Remember this one. An Eskimo lives in an igloo. Okay. Next one. But Dash hole is the home for dash mouse. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? क्योंकि यहाँ consonant दिया गया है, but a hole is the home for, again mouse consonant से start हो रहा है, for a mouse. But a hole is the home for a mouse. So kids, did you all understood one? We'll once again go through this. Mary has a cute pet rabbit. John has an Angora goat. Kim has a curly poodle. But I have a big white rat. Mary feeds her rabbit an apple a day. John gives his cat a fish. Kim buys a poodle an ice cream. But my rat likes a cookie in his dish. I live in an apartment. John lives in a house. An Eskimo lives in an igloo. But a hole is the home for a mouse. Fine, kids. So as for your homework, you have to copy these meanings in the classwork along with the question answers. Only 3 question answers you have been given because it's just a poem, and rest of the exercise will continue in our next class. So till that day, complete your work, stay home, stay safe, and don't trouble your parents.